Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Podia checkout for selling memberships and downloads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Podia checkout for selling memberships and downloads, start by logging into your Podia account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the products section on the left side menu. Click on Create Product to start adding your memberships or downloads. Choose between membership or digital download based on your offering. Fill in the essential details for your product. This includes the title, description, and pricing information. Upload any necessary files for downloads in the designated area. For memberships, set your payment options, including recurring payment details if applicable. Next, locate the checkout settings within the product setup. Customize your checkout page with relevant information, such as branding, colors, and logos. Save your changes to ensure they are applied to your checkout. Now, go to the Settings menu on the left side. Click on Checkout to further configure your checkout preferences. Here, you can set up tax settings, refunds, and payment processors. To integrate payment options, connect with Stripe or PayPal as preferred. Once payments are configured, return to the product setup page. Under the Sales page, ensure all details are correct. You can also preview your sales page to see how it appears to customers. After confirming everything looks good, publish your product. Once published, share the product link with your audience. You can find this link under the Products section in your dashboard. Test the checkout process yourself to ensure everything works smoothly. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Podia checkout for your memberships and downloads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.